Hello, welcome to my kitchen. Today we're doing coconut shrimp, onion, sweet pepper, garlic, oregano, black pepper, comino, and salt, and coconut oil and coconut milk. Now we put the frying pan to hot with the oil. Now we mix it up with the seasoning. Allow them together. We mix it. Now the frying pan is very hot. We put the shrimp inside. I like the big shrimp, we call it jumbo, because this is the one we grab all the sauce inside and you have a lot of meat. So the cream coconut going inside the shrimp. Really nice. Put the onion, sweet pepper, and we stir it. That the kitchen smell really nice with all the flavor come together. Now we put the garlic. I always put the garlic for last, make it burn. Now we're going to go put the coconut milk. The coconut milk have a nice flavor and it's really good with the shrimp. See how nice it looks. See how this kitchen smells so nice. Now we add it. We add it with white rice. It's a good combination. And we put the peas by the side. You can find them shrimp in the supermarket or in the market. Always they have the different one. They have the small one and the big one. But I like the big one because the big one have a lot of use and really got a lot of meat inside. So when you have your bite, you have all the flavor, the onion, black pepper, sweet pepper, cilantro, everything inside it. Okay, it's nice. So now, to make you enjoy it, we have the pineapple juice with lime. It's good to drink your juice, your natural juice. Healthy and fresh. If you want to see this recipe, please, you see the right there down, the cream coconut shrimp. Thank you.